That is the secret of the balot. That makes it tasty.
Ay, naku.
It's the bird inside.
It's a bird.
So, are you curious to see what's inside and taste what it's like?
Hindi naman.
This is your baptism on air. Talagang ganap na Pilipino na pagkahain ito pala ito. So, sisimulan ko na. I'll go ahead because I like balot. Nakrak ko muna.
Yan na.
Crack, guys, crack.
Crack daw,
Okay.
crack. Crack daw, crack.
Right. Ayan na, nabuksan na eh. Okay na yan. Pwede naman you can use your spoon.
I see.
Ayan.
Oh, what's
Yeah. Okay. Ayan na. Dumudungaw na. Sisiw. Tell it first.
You need to put
Like wine.
Tignan mo yung itsura nila.
full salt.
right now?
Right now.
Right now. Right now, though, right now.
Open it more. Taste the soup.
I think that's bad.
Pait-pait.
Other side out.
Mapait-pait na may konting ano. Hindi eh, para mapait na may...
Lagyan mo ng salt. Lagyan mo salt.
May kick siya, may kick.
Salt.
Oh, but it's not open.
Wait.
Uy, maganda ito nakuha ko. Wow, ganda ng pagkapula.
Ayan, lagyan mo ng salt and nap.
Ang ganda ng pagkapula. Uy, ganda na sa'yo.
It's fine. So just the juice.
Okay.
Kung ano yung juice.
Guys, look oh. You pull it out like this.
Oh, ganyan.
You see? There's the bird there. And that yellow thing, that's the most tasty part of the balot.
Dinudurog talaga eh, no?
Yeah. Okay. See this? You bite it like this. Huh?
Oh, soup lang. Soup lang. Lagyan mo.
Okay, try it.
Ay, lagyan mo sa ano.
It's not even fun. It's not even
Baka
breaking.
hindi yung balon. Baka peno yan.
Oh, the juice is everywhere.
Ay, naku, buhay. Durog na durog. Durog na durog.
Penoy to, penoy.
Then, palitan mo.
Ah, Penoy pala eh. Penoy.
This is like a dubs.
Ganon.
Ay, naku.
Oh, God.
Ayan.
Ayun, there's the
Yun.
soup. There's the soup.
Taste the soup, look, it's really good.
Ay, yung ano, yung...
Ayun, ako na yung soup. Dali.
Ay, nakarapin bakla.
Just close your eyes. Come on. Really? Oh, close your eyes.
Close your eyes daw.